In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Instagram story not uploading. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. The first thing you need to do is make sure you've got a strong internet connection on your device. Honestly, it's quite likely you do because you're watching this video, but it's definitely worth trying. So open up any browser, whether that be Google Chrome, Safari, depends what device you use, and then just go to a website and see if it loads. In this case, it loads fine, which sort of shows we've got a strong enough internet connection. So it's probably worth just fully restarting the Instagram app. To do that, all you need to do is swipe up on your device like so until you open up the sort of the app center, and then swipe up on Instagram just like so, and that's going to fully close it. And then what you can do is go and tap on Instagram like so, and it's going to go and fully restart. Another thing you can try is a different Instagram account. For some reason, your Instagram account may just be glitching, and if you can try and switch to a different account, then that may be worth trying if you have multiple on your device. However, if you don't, then don't worry about it. The next thing you should try is restarting your device. Every device is going to restart slightly differently, but on an iPhone, you hold your power button and your volume button together, and then you're going to go and get a screen where you can slide to power off, and then your phone is going to fully shut down. You have to wait sort of 5 to 10 seconds for it to do so, and then you can just hold your power button and your device is going to turn back on. You can do the same on Android as well. And if that still isn't working, then it may be worth deleting the Instagram app and then reinstalling it. To do that, all you need to do is delete it. So hold your finger on the app like so, and then you can press remove app, and then you can go and press delete app, and then it's going to be deleted. And then what you'll need to do is go and open up the App Store and go and re-download Instagram. It's super easy. If that still isn't working, then what you could try is using a different device. It may be your device playing up and just glitching. So use a different device and see if that does anything. And you could log onto your Instagram account, maybe on like your parents' phone or just an old phone you've got. And if that still isn't working, then it may be an issue with Instagram servers. To check the status of Instagram servers, all you need to do is go and open up a web browser, and then what you can do is just go and search Instagram server status. Just like this, and then you can go and tap on go, and it's going to take a moment to load, and then you can go to a website called Down Detector, or there's going to be many out there like that, and you can scroll down, and if there's a big spike with like sort of hundreds of, if not thousands outages, then it's likely there's actual downtime. As you can see, there's only about 49, and you can see this average trend line as well. So yeah, it's going to be a huge spike if there is an actual problem.